Google is selling ads inside Google AI overviews. As of August 2026, Google AI Max ads sit in the same answer box that already stole your organic click. Cost per click is 3 times higher than a normal search ad. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Claude still name shops without charging you to rent the sentence. Google now charges you 3 times to appear in the answer that replaced your listing. Stay with me. I will show why AI Max ads cost 3 times more, how that compares to an organic name in ChatGPT and Perplexity, and how local owners stop paying rent on an answer they should already own. Here is why this matters. A buyer types emergency plumber near me. Google AI Overviews answer first. Your old blue link is below the fold. Then an AI Max ad appears inside that overview. You did not lose a ranking. You lost the first screen, then Google offered to sell it back at 3 times the cost per click. That is the trap. Organic visibility died, paid visibility got more expensive. Agencies still send you a search campaign report that looks healthy. Cost per click is up. Conversions are down. Nobody says the quiet part. You are bidding on the box that replaced you. Think about a Tuesday. A homeowner asks Google for an HVAC shop that can fix a dead condenser tonight. Last year that was 10 blue links and a normal search ad. This year Google AI Overviews write the answer. An AI Max ad sits inside it. ChatGPT names 2 shops for free. Gemini names 1. Perplexity cites a review. You are still paying Google 3 times more per click to rent a sentence the models could have spoken for free if they could confirm you. Stay on that Tuesday. Your Google business profile still looks fine. Your map pack screenshot still looks fine. The invoice does not. AI Max is not a cheaper way to show up in AI search. It is the most expensive way to rent a slot in an answer that already decided who to trust. Comparison number 1 is old search ads versus Google AI Max. Old search ads sat next to 10 blue links. You paid for a click on a page the buyer still had to read. AI Max ads sit inside Google AI Overviews and Google AI Mode. The buyer already got an answer. The ad is fighting for the last inch of attention. Inventory is scarce. Intent is high. That is why cost per click lands around 3 times a normal search click as of August 2026. Comparison number 2 is paid AI Overview versus organic AI Overview. An organic citation in Google AI Overviews costs nothing per click. The model names you because your Google business profile, reviews, and pages match the question. A paid AI Max slot costs 3 times a normal click and still looks like an ad. Buyers trust the spoken name more than the sponsored chip. If you only buy the chip, you train Google that you will pay. You do not train ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Claude to say your name. Comparison number 3 is Google versus the other answer engines. ChatGPT will name 2 shops. Sources, if they appear, sit in a drawer. Gemini pulls maps and reviews and recommends. Perplexity still shows citations. Claude summarizes last month's reviews. None of them, as of August 2026, charge a local owner 3 times search cost per click to be the name in the sentence. Google is the one selling the answer back. If your only AI plan is an AI Max budget, you are paying the one platform that already hid you, and you are invisible on the 4 that still name shops for free. Comparison number 4 is renting the box versus becoming the entity. Renting means more budget, broader match, and AI-generated ad copy pointing at a thin landing page. Becoming the entity means a clean name, address, phone, and hours match across Google business profile and the site. Services in public HTML. Reviews from this month that mention the job. Schema model can pass. Hours that match. A page that says same day, emergency, or the exact service the buyer typed. Models quote facts. They do not quote adjectives. Comparison number 5 is what the invoice hides. A 3 times cost per click can still look efficient if the platform counts a tap on the overview as high intent, and the phone stays quiet. The buyer already got the organic name above your ad. Your click was a second thought. That is why AI Max can raise spend while ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity keep sending the call to a rival who never bought the ad. So the job is not to outbid the overview. The job is to be the name the overview. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Claude are willing to say without a sponsor label. Then AI Max becomes optional, not the only oxygen. Ninja tracks organic names across ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI Overviews. The product watches the questions your buyers actually type. Like when a rival is the spoken name and you only appear as a paid chip, the visibility score moves. Ninja does not guarantee a rank, a citation, a cheaper cost per click, or a call. It shows whether the models can find a real you and whether they say your name or only sell you the slot. One independent plumber used Ninja after AI Max doubled their Google bill. 8 of 10 Google AI Overview prompts named a competitor. ChatGPT named that same competitor in 6 of 10 prompts. After they matched Google business profile to the site, published emergency response facts in HTML, and asked for specific same-week reviews, 5 of those 10 overview prompts named them in 3 weeks. ChatGPT moved from 0 names to 4 of 10. They cut the AI Max budget in half. Ninja does not guarantee those numbers. If you have never checked this, do not start by raising the AI max bid. Start with 5 buyer prompts. Ask Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity the questions your customers type. Write down who gets named in the sentence. Write down whether your only appearance is a sponsored chip. If you are paying 3 times cost per click to rent a box that already named someone else, you are funding the problem. Here is the recap. Google AI Max ads appear inside Google AI overviews. As of August 2026, cost per click is about 3 times a normal search ad. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Claude still name shops without that tax. Paying Google to rent the answer is not the same as being the answer. Step 1. Run 5 real buyer questions in Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity this week. Step 2. Record who gets named in the sentence and whether you only appear as an ad. Step 3. Match your Google business profile name, hours, and services to the site. Step 4. Publish facts a model can speak out loud, then ask for specific recent reviews. Get started at tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. Cancel any time. See whether Google AI overviews name you or only sell you the 3 times click.